Welcome back, you're watching Headlines Now. Two co-pilots of Indian Navy Chetak helicopter have died after it crashed in Goa. A driver who was in a boat was also been killed. The rotor of the helicopter, which had flown from Mumbai, broke off while landing. The chopper then caught fire.
तो एयरक्राफ्ट उधर जाने से पहले यहाँ पे गोवा में लैंड करके फ्यूलिंग करने वाला था। सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा था। एयरक्राफ्ट लैंडिंग के लिए आ रहा था, जबकि जैसा कि जानते ही हैं आपके बिल्कुल रनवे के पास में ही ये हादसा हुआ है। और उस टाइम कोई आरटी कॉल नहीं थी, पर जैसा देखने से लगता है कि कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ ये हादसा हो गया। और अभी बोर्ड ऑफ इंक्वायरी ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर हो गई है।
The Governing Council of the Indian Premier League is to meet on October 17 following BCCI's month-long legal battle against Deccan Chargers over the decision to terminate the IPL franchise for the breach of contract. Deccan Chargers lost their status as an IPL team after the Bombay High Court on Saturday stayed the order of the arbitrator for maintaining status quo on the matter till further hearing. Yesterday, the board began the process of finding a new team by floating tender notices for a fresh franchise. Australian extreme athlete Felix Baumgartner landed gracefully on Earth Sunday after 38-kilometer jump from the stratosphere in a dramatic record-breaking feat that officials said made him the first skydiver to fall faster than the speed of sound. He came down in the eastern New Mexico desert about 9 minutes after jumping from his capsule 38.6 kilometers above Earth. He lifted his arms in victory shortly after landing, setting off loud cheers from the jubilant onlookers and friends inside the mission's control center in Roseman.
And there you can see by the approaching shadow, he's just about there, and he's down there.
World record holder.
Couldn't have done it without my team, because you're only as good as your team is, and I want to say thank you to everybody who was joining my dream. And let me tell you, when I was standing there on top of the world, you become so humble. You do not think about breaking records anymore. You do not think about gaining scientific data. The only thing that you want is you want to come back alive, you know, because you do not want to die in front of your parents, your girlfriend, and all these people watching this. This became the most important thing to me when I was standing out there.
And that's the end of this bulletin. Stay tuned to NDTV Hindu for more news and updates.